Greetings and welcome to my new calculus channel. My name is John Gabriel, and today I'm going to talk to you very quickly about Proposition 9 and Proposition 10 of Euclid's Elements Book 1. So Proposition 9 basically tells us that any line segment can be cut in half. And so the way that Euclid does it is, again, a little roundabout and doesn't really build on simpler concepts such as a circle, which I shall show you in a moment. And then also I'm going to talk to you about Proposition 10, how to cut a finite, or how to cut a straight line, because there is no mention of finite or infinite in this first proposition. So I'll show you both of them in a moment. Now, Book 1, Proposition 9, says that any angle really consists of two parts. So how do we see that? Well, if we let the angle rest on this arc, which consists of the red and green and the purple secant, then the circles, as we've seen from earlier propositions, will intersect at 2 points, right? Meaning that they will cut this arc into exactly symmetrical parts. And of course, if these parts are symmetrical, this red arc to this green arc, then obviously this green angle must equal to this green angle. It's as simple as that. There's really nothing more to it than that. So it follows on from the prologue that I talked to you about in my lecture. Okay, so I'll put a link to that also in the details section. And then Book 1, Proposition 10 says that any shortest distance can be divided into two equal shortest distances. And that's pretty obvious, even from Proposition 9. All you have to do is just say, let the purple line be the shortest distance. And then you know that because this secant rests on these arcs, that the segments on either side of this red line must be equal. And that's all there is to it. I'm John Gabriel, and this is your new calculus channel. Till next time, goodbye.